Nigerian, great Oduduwa, great Biafra. If I say great one Nigerian, now scam. My fans, and I know out of me since how many days, waiting up, I don't see any message from my inbox. If you not the way we dey hustle for Europe, the way we dey hustle for America, the way we dey hustle for Asia, if now so those Olympic governments go kill them, if now so they don't do Nigeria, we dey use ourselves, take the slave. We go dey okay for our country. Now that make we not get chance to come online to talk. The way we dey hustle for here, if now so they make our country dey okay for us, we go dey okay for Nigeria. Ogun go kill all of una inshallah. From A to Z, Ogun Lakayo Shimon and I go kill all of una. All of them when they destroy Nigeria, we're not going to make Oduduwa great. We're not going to make Biafra grow on their own. We're not going to make Oduduwa stand on their own. If you be king, when they collect right. If you be the minister, anything when you be for Nigeria, when they collect right, when make us, when we Nigeria citizens, they suffer for our blood. We're not going to come home. Our country can't fear us. If we enter another man's land, our country, another man will come in as heaven for us. But to come back to our country, now difficult. Ogula Kayo Shimon and I go kill on inshallah, and I say go be. And I go make NFS. Say anybody will talk about any Nigerian official, any Nigerian government official. So I go be them and I go put up for peace. Ogula Kayo and I go kill on. And I want to sit together. We plan to go to Ogula Kayo Shimon and I go kill on. We go talk. We go talk. We the suffer. How to do it? Make us stand up. Biafra, make us stand up. More go on our own. Nigeria, they make us suffer. We there for abroad. We not going to come our country again with the fear. If you go call them, not kill you. X-Men go kill you. If X-Men not kill you, Nigerian police go kill you. If Nigerian police not kill you, SARS go kill you. If SARS not kill you, Amroga go kill you. People will come up for University of Lagos. People will graduate for there. Uniben of Benin, Federal University of Technology. When they come out, they don't see work. Many youths ready to work, but as work not there, I want to survive. I think I'm going to Ogun will kill now. All of from A to Z, even Nigeria president, Ogun Lakayo Shimon, worry, Ogun I go kill you. That your advisor, what's the color? I die Yoruba man. With Toshiba Ogun Lakayo Shimon, let me say for the way. That go kill you. All of them will be king for you. See, he said, some king, you go live with Alibaba, can when they give him. He go live for palace. He go run live for palace. He go run live for palace. Make one allow them go our home. Make one do a start on your own. I bet you Yahweh and you when we the suffer for year. See what we do for Europe for year. What we do for America for year. The one we the suffer for there. If you not son of our country, we go there okay for our own. Nigeria get money, everything get money, and I make all the suffer. Now, another Falani open international airport because of Muhammadu Daura, Buhari, Nigeria president, cousin. Another flyer go UK. And I know they listen to news and I don't use this chance because of self-interest. When they look after. And I know the back of on news on the TV on the watch. Abika Dabiri, the Diaspora Commission, Muhammadu Buhari, Nigeria president. You know here say Nigeria, the money want to deport, mass deportation Nigeria. You know they hear them, say they want to deport come. People wait for the Mediterranean come because they suffer. Because I know say smart or not, on a lot of group when I go catch October 1st. So I want make Independence Day when I don't put up it's so far. One of the scammers with one Nigerian. Ogun go kill all of them, when they sit down. When they sit down, I go kill now. People suffer from Mediterranean Sea. Now they watch back up on the TV, and I know they watch the news. Say Germany want to deport, mass deportation, Nigerian citizens. When time I went on all those things they do, people wait good the country self, and I know people feed them. See, all of them when they advertise say, man, I can't invest for Nigeria. Ogun go kill now. One look here, advance on the president, even the former one. Say me they do Nigerian lights. If you get 1 million, you invest for your country. So once 24 hours light day, and I know be advised there, and they do advise. Ogun I go kill now, and I know what's that together for there. They do that meeting. Ogun I go kill now. At the best one now. Ogun Lakayo Shimon I go see. Make a turn or something. I go speak about broke if I don't have to speak about your for English. Hey, we are cooking catalytic. No matter how many one I get. The kind sickness, when get follow on when they destroy Nigeria, when they go make Oduduwa great, when they go make Biafra great. The guys can go down now. All the money when a thief for Nigeria. All our good want a thief. You know go rich now to survive them. Oguna Kaya like go kill you. Mama Dubara, you know they come back, Ogbari. All the better all the bar. Oguna Kaya now go kill us now. This Nigerian advisor, what they call that Yoruba man. You are no Shibago. I see Yahweh. Now somebody just tell us for outside that time Ogbani. And I look back and not fit talk. May God do a great. May we be youth. Must be come up. What we are people for how to do the public. I think Yahweh. Oguna Kaya Shimon and I go kill on. Oh, I did with the born. Not be nice. They take separate on with placenta. Now make Oguna go kill on. Or else when I wake up today, and I no breathe come outside. And I no breathe in. Oguna Kaya go kill on. Not on go do me. And they call people for go. What? Do buy any checker. Do checker. Do like you and I go hear my voice every day by day. Oguna go kill now. Our country is great and I don't make us come home again. We there abroad, come and say we there heaven. God go punish all of them. All of now, all of now, Oguna go kill now. Inshallah. That's Yahweh. Pray one by one. I propose the law so. If Papa carry pikin in the morning, you go there happy. In the evening, all the people go fall for you. All what on a thief for Nigeria, na sickness. Now go collect for now. What thing you Baba give for Nigeria, now go hand on now. Inshallah. If you be king, you no support to the door. You no go talk to because you don't shop the door. And all the sort of door. Tell your bag lórí oko lórí rọra ṣe. Tell your bag lórí oko lórí rọra ṣe. Tó bá dókè tẹ́tẹ́ o gbọ́dọ̀ rántí. Ìpínlẹ̀ lọ́jọ́ orísun má tàpá sí, ẹ sì tàpá sí. And I go abroad, go there join. I never see France president. I never see Italy president. I never see Trump make a comment just say God flesh. Olórí burúkú when I go see for our money come Europe, come the flesh. Come see my America, come the flesh. Man, I come. Ogun will kill now, and I go see her. We know, and I don't make us come home, because they are blood. We don't fit come home again. God will punish all of you now. All Nigeria government servants, anything, not be the workers at the top. If you Nigeria politician, anything where you be. Inshallah, Oguna Kaya na go kill now. Inshallah, say go be. Odigba, we go see. Nigeria pastor, and they come for now. See, and I don't blind us. And I know they do scam. We dey look on a 25 hours. Where they do scam. Ogun na go kill now. See, not be the youth. We dey talk about presidents. We dey talk about politicians. Nigeria pastor now, and I want to pray. Say, I know this vision. Say that no president go enter social place. Ogun na go kill now.